severe snowstorm the other day, and also my dad's car quit on him, so I ended up being kind of in a rush to clear the snow and get to him to help out. And he had lost the belt to the generator, well, to everything, because it's a newer car and the belt runs pretty much everything. So car eventually died on him, so he was stranded on the road, and I tried to get to him as fast as I could. It's really nice having the inside sliding doors now when there is plenty of snow just outside them. That was a smart move. So clearing some snow, getting the car in the heater, and clearing the road. Brought a couple of batteries so we could hook up some old battery and get some power to his car and get it running again. But it wasn't without trouble. I ended up that the road I had cleared down to a bigger road, so I hadn't done a very good job, so it was hard getting back up later, and this day was kind of wasted. And then now it's got really cold, so I'm not starting any forest machines these days. I will try to catch up with some garage jobs and maybe some videos. I have some footage from further back that I haven't been able to do anything about. Yeah, I got stuck because I missed what I had cleared. Everything was kind of white looking in the mirror, so luckily the snow grips saved me and I didn't need to get the tractor to pull it out. It was a stressful day, but hopefully that's all the snow we will get, because now it's more than enough. We'll see how the logging goes. If it's too much snow, I might call it, give up for this winter.